So if you're subscribed to my channel or you watch any of my videos, you will know that I started this whole journey with a Sur-Ron light bee. Without that bike, this whole channel and my whole journey with e-bikes wouldn't exist. I'm constantly either in the studio building or repairing bikes, or I'm out riding them, and it's kind of starting to rub off on the family now. I've had my wife out on the Ultra Bee and she absolutely loves that thing, and it's now starting to catch on with the rest of the family. Now I've taken my daughter out a couple of times on the Ultra Bee sitting on the front of it, and she generally loves it just as much as I do. So when Kubbi reached out to me and said that they wanted to send me one of their children's electric dirt bikes, I was absolutely buzzing. So in today's video we're going to be introducing someone extremely special, Mini South Coast Sur-Ron. So we're going to be unboxing this new bike together, we're going to be building it, and then we're going to go out and rip together. So let's jump straight into it, let's bring her in and surprise her with her new electric dirt bike. So what is Daddy's favourite thing to do, favourite hobby?
Ride your bike.
Ride my bike. And when you come out on my bike, how much do you love going on my bike with me?
I would grade a 16 out of 10.
16 out of 10, that's a good score. Okay, so do you know what is in this box behind me? Have you ever seen it before?
No.
No. So inside this box is your brand new electric dirt bike.
Oh.
So what we're going to do is we're going to open this box up and you are going to build your very own bike, and then we can go out and ride together. What do you think?
Is it electric?
It's electric, yeah.
I've ridden an electric scooter and I almost bumped into it.
Okay, so shall we get this box open and get it all built? Okay.
3.
Perfect. Oh my gosh. How are you going to get that out of there then? Have you got the muscles to be able to lift that out? Give it a go.
No.
Okay, so let's have a look what's in here first.
Oh, what way is it?
Okay, do you know what that is?
Tools.
Yeah.
Charger.
Yeah.
This is my favourite day of my life.
Do you know what they are?
No.
Have a guess.
Brakes.
Yeah, nice. So let's put those back up on the handlebars. So next thing, let's get the wheel on, I reckon, and then we can get the handlebars all put on, yeah?
Yay.
Do you know what you got in there?
No.
That's your headlight.
What's the headlight?
What do you think the headlight is?
Goes on your head.
Yeah. So it says, first of all, we need to fit the handlebars. Where are the handlebars? Do you know?
Right behind you.
Cool. Grab those then.
Unwrap them.
Yep. Get them unwrapped. Maybe lay them on the floor so it doesn't all fall out.
Don't worry. So. Tidying up the brake caliper.
Is that tight? Don't round it! I will disown you a few round bolts.
Yeah, that's tight.
Okay, we are nearly there.
Yeah!
So all we've got to do now
Yay.
is
Yay.
try and get on the
Yay.
rear suspension. And then we just got to put the headlight on, and then I'm pretty much sure we're ready for a rip. So I get it down. I have to use the, what's it called? Torque wrencher. So I have to use the torque wrencher because Mini South Coast Surron has a hatred for it because it keeps slipping out the bolt. So okay, is that getting tight? Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight.
Okay, so that's the bike all built. Next up, we're just going to install this headlight.
Okay, so where do you reckon the headlight's got to go then?
On, like, here?
Yeah, I reckon so. Cool, let's try
Are
and
we
work it
going
out.
to take the tape off?
We can take the tape off, go for it. Good job. Nice. Right.
How do you turn the light on?
Well, we need to plug it all in, so let's get it on the bike and then we can plug all the connections in, yeah?
Yay! Daddy,
Yeah.
what comments have you had so far?
What, on my videos?
Yeah.
Some good, some bad.
Like what?
Some people comment and say that they like the bikes, and then other people say they hate the bikes and hate my videos.
I hope that's not one of them watching.
So do I.
Hopefully they like this video,
Hopefully they do like this video.
because it has me in it. If you like this video so far, give it a like.
Good shout.
Ready?
I think we're pretty much there. So
Why does it need to be perfect?
Because it needs to line up, otherwise the pins won't go in properly.
Hey Daddy, what's the cat's favourite colour?
I don't know, what's a cat's favourite colour?
Purple.
Just take that off.
Yeah.
Oh, did it come off?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So let's turn the bike on. So, go on then, hold the button down. Is the screen lit up?
That's the bike all built with a little bit of help from Daddy. That's the Kubbi K22. It's made for bigger kids, but I'm doing a pretty good job. It's got a super powerful motor. Daddy says it's 2,000 watts and it can go all the way up to 55 kilometers an hour. That's really fast, so don't tell Mummy. It's got 3 different speed modes, so parents can keep things safe. I think I'll be asking Daddy for the fastest one soon. It's got a really big battery, which means I can ride up to 50 kilometers. That's like loads of riding. And when it runs out, it only takes 5 hours to charge. So I can go riding the next day. It's really strong and can carry up to 120 kilos, which means I'll have to hide it from Daddy, because he'd definitely want to go. It's got big off-road tyres, so it's really good in the gravel and dirt. It's even waterproof, so a bit of mud won't stop me. It's got a super bright headlight and proper suspension, just like a real motocross bike, with a big 14-inch wheel at the front and 12-inch at the back, which makes it feel just like Daddy's bikes. I absolutely love riding it, and this is just the beginning. If you want to check one out, there's a link in the description below. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.